Okay, we're gonna spray the rest of the bolts here inside the hood. There's one. There's two. There's three. Okay, and let's go get the other side. There's one. There's two. Three. And I can't get the one under the cowl, but I'm pretty sure that one won't be as bad. Now let's get the passenger side. Okay guys, we are removing the cowl. The wipers were a little bit hard to take off. Now the cowl is being a little stubborn. And it should just pop out. Oops, okay, I think there was something holding it here. Lower the hood a little bit more. Okay, came off. Look at this, guys. It came off. Now we're gonna work on the fenders. So, let's do it. As you can see, the rain took over, so we had to pull the truck inside the garage. We're not soaked, but the fenders are slowly coming off. We've removed all the bolts. Now we're trying to get a bolt down here. It doesn't really want to come out. So we'll see what happens. You guys can see the bolt right here. Can we give it a try? Alright guys, we're gonna see if it comes out here in a minute. Go for it, go for it, go for it. Oh. Go for it. I hope it doesn't, but there you have it, guys. The bolt came out. Now, I think there might be clips on the fender well cover, so we'll see how that goes. Quick little update, guys. Sorry for the little footage. It's just that the rain caught up with us, so we pulled the truck in. But now that it stopped raining, I'm gonna record a little bit more for you guys. This fender is about to come off. This driver's side fender. Take a look how it looks. That's how it looks stock. Right there. Alright guys, let's go on to the other side and I'll show you. Alright guys, check it out. So the fender isn't bolted on yet, but it's where it needs to be. I don't know if you can see the difference. Show you where the tire is gonna sit. Almost looks like a 4x4 now. So we'll see how it looks when I lower it. Give you guys a better view. Check it out, guys. I almost have to do the rear fender flares now, so it looks even. Might even just pull these off. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Alright guys, let's continue. Driver fender is off. Guys, that's how it looks without a fender. Pretty bad. Alright. The other side is all bolted up, ready to go. I took the tire off, but I put the tire back on. Give you guys a better view of how it's gonna look. It's not down on the ground yet, so I'll show you guys when I put it down. So this side is done. Now I'm just working on the driver's side. So let's get the fender on, guys. Okay guys, so fenders are on. If you guys want to know a good way to remove the wrecking yard letters, you guys need 91% alcohol and just any sort of towel or napkin, and check this out, guys. Slowly fading away. Nothing, guys. all clean. And that, guys, is how you remove these letters off your fenders. And guys, here it is. Take a look, guys. These fenders are much wider. The tires and wheels tuck in now. I'll show you the fitment right here. There's the fitment, guys. Let's go take a look at the other side. Much wider fenders. Flares make it look good. Almost flush. And you guys could tell that I'm missing the rear flares. Well, I'm gonna install those, but that's gonna be in a future video. So stay tuned for that. Also, these fenders came with mud flaps, and I'm gonna show you guys how low the mud flaps are. I'll put my shoe right here so you guys get an idea. Guys, I'm touching it right there. That's how low it got. So on every speed bump, the mud flaps touch the ground. All right, guys. As always, guys, thanks for watching. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, and more videos coming soon, guys. All right, whoever's still watching, write down in the comments wheels, because take a look at this, guys. A trailer with nice wheels on it. This is the first time I see something like this. So if you're still watching, go ahead and write down in the comments wheels.